In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pattern background in CapCut Desktop. First, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once it launches, either create a new project if you're starting from scratch, or open an existing project if you already have one in progress. After that, add your video to the timeline so you have a clip ready to work with. This is important because the pattern background will be applied in relation to the selected video on your timeline. Next, click on the video clip in the timeline to make sure it's selected. With the clip selected, look below the preview window and locate the ratio button. Go ahead and click ratio, then choose 16:9 from the available options. This sets your project canvas to a standard widescreen format, which is commonly used for YouTube and many other video platforms. Give CapCut a moment to update the canvas before moving on. Once the canvas has updated, click the video clip on the timeline again just to make sure the correct clip is still active. Then move over to the right side panel and open the Video tab. In that panel, find the Canvas section. This area contains options related to how your video sits within the project frame. Open the Canvas drop-down menu and take a moment to review the available options. From those options, click Pattern. CapCut may take a moment to load the pattern library, so just wait until the available backgrounds appear. Once they're loaded, browse through the pattern backgrounds and choose the one that best fits the look you want for your video. When you click a pattern, CapCut will apply it to the canvas automatically, so give it a moment to finish updating. Now look at the preview window and check the result carefully. You should see the selected pattern appearing behind your video. This is especially useful if your clip doesn't fully fill the frame or if you want a more designed, polished background instead of plain empty space. To make sure everything looks right from start to finish, click the play button and preview the project. Watch as the video plays and confirm that the pattern background stays visible behind the video throughout the clip. If it does, that means the effect has been applied successfully. And that's it. You've now added a pattern background in CapCut Desktop and confirmed that it appears correctly in your project.